So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get an access to an ad account. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create an ad account and also how to request an access to an ad account, right? So because a time is going to come that you may be needing an access to your client's ad account, that you want to run an ad for your client, right? So you don't need to like create an ad account from afresh or from scratch, because there are scenarios that most of these your clients coming to you, they have actually done TikTok ads before in the past, right? So all you need to do in that scenario is just to request an access to their ad account. And once you request an access and the access is approved, then you're going to be managing their ad account directly from your own TikTok business center, right? So I'm not going to be talking long, and I'll be jumping straight to my laptop screen right now, and I'll be showing you guys how to go about it, right? So as usual, ads.tiktok.com or business.tiktok.com, and you're going to have this interface, just like you're going to be having a similar interface just like this one, right? So once you are on the home page like this, all you have to do is to scroll down to where we have accounts, right? So click on account. So once you click on account, the first thing that you're going to be seeing is your advertiser account, right? So here you can see that I already have a 3 advertiser account or 3 ads account here, right? So one of them is currently suspended because we are running a forest ad, but then we have actually appealed, and I want to believe that from now till next week, maybe Monday or Tuesday, the appeal is going to be approved and the ad account is going to be reinstated, right? So now we're going to be working with these 2 ad accounts, since this one is suspended at the moment, right? So all we need in order to get a request and access to another account, come here where you're seeing add advertiser account. So once you click on this add advertiser account, you have 2 options: either to create a new ad account or to request an access to an ad account, right? But then in this scenario, we are going to be requesting an access to an ad account, but then we're not going to be doing that in this business center. We are going to be using another TikTok business center, because we're going to be using one of the ads managers here, right? So it's not going to be possible for us to be requesting an access to our ads manager that is already existing in a business center. So all we need to do is just to copy this ID. All you need to do is to ask your client to get you this ID that you are seeing here, right? So I'm going to be copying this ID. So once I click on it, I'm going to copy, or any of the options. You can see the ID here. You can also copy the ID from here directly. Any of the options, just make sure you copy the ID. So once you copy the ID, or maybe once your clients copy the ID, your client can send you the ID and you can follow the process that I'm about to be showing you guys right now. So the next thing that you're going to be doing is to switch to the next business center, right? So on my end, I already have another business center here. So on that same business center, I'm going to come to account. So once I come to account, just allow it to load. So once it is done loading, I'm going to be clicking on this add advertiser account. Then I'm going to be clicking on this request access to an ad account. I'm going to be clicking on next. Then remember the ad account ID that we copied, right? So you just come here and paste the ad account ID here. So once you paste the ad account ID, you can see the name now, Grand Rich Group AdV. So let me switch back so that you guys can confirm the name, right? So see the ad account name, Grand Rich Group AdV here. So we are going to be proceeding from here now. You see that there's a level of permission that you can give to the person that is going to be working on your account, right? So we have the admin level, the operator, and also an analyst. So an analyst basically is just to view. So apart from viewing access, the person do not have any other right on that ad account again. So if you give someone an operator permission, for instance, the person can be able to do basic operations like setting up campaign, editing a campaign, and so on. But then the person do not have full control of your ad account. So this has to do with your instinct and also your discretion, right? When it comes to giving someone admin, operator, or analyst level. So all this is basically or solely based on your discretion, like your relationship with the person, right? So but then for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be putting it on this admin. So I'm going to be clicking on admin. I'm going to be clicking on next. So once you click on next, then the next thing is to select a TikTok account, right? Because it's compulsory. So, and I want to believe that your client's TikTok account is already linked to the business center. But then I'm going to be showing you guys another video how to link your TikTok account to your TikTok business center, because I haven't done that before. I'm going to be doing that and attach it to one of the videos that's going to be on this particular course, right? So select the pilot effect. So once it is selected, if you have Pixel, you can select Pixel, but I don't really know about these games, but I'm very sure about either Pixel or TikTok. Then we are going to be focusing majorly on TikTok account, right? Then click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you see request sent. So if this is successful, a request is going to be sent to your email, and all you have to do is just to log into your email that you use on that you use in signing up on that business center, right? So follow up the prompt in that email, and I tell you, once you have approved the request, the ad account is going to be linked to your own business center immediately. So let me do that for you guys, right? So you can see pending approval. Now that it is pending, let's switch back to this browser now. So I'm going to be using this profile. Then this is my email, right? You see we just got the email 1727. So look at the time, 1728. So this email was sent about 1 minute ago. I'm going to be clicking on this business center. So once I do that, you're going to be seeing dear customer. If you like, you can read this, but then the thing that is most important to us right now is this go to accept. So all I have to do is to click on this go to accept. So once we accept the request, then the ad account will start showing on our business center, and with that we can be able to use that particular ad account to do what, to run ad. So we still need to accept the request. I'm going to be clicking on accept request. So let's just wait for it to load. You see that you have accepted the request. So now that we have accepted the request, that means this ad account, the ad account here has been linked to this business center. You can see pending approval, right? So once I refresh this page, you are going to be seeing approved instead of pending approval. So let me refresh the page so that you guys can understand what I'm saying very well. So I'm going to be refreshing now. Let's just wait for it to properly load, and once it is done, you can see approved. So you can see approved, right? So now that you're seeing approved, it means you have an access to use this particular ad account to run an ad directly from your business center. So this is all you need to know, or these are the things, that the procedures that you need to follow if your client maybe requests for you to run an ad for them. Meanwhile, you don't have access to their login details, right? And it's not even advisable to ask your client to give you their login details. Instead of going by that route, it is better you just follow this procedure so that nobody is going to be accusing you in future of any other thing at all. So this is all you guys need to know when it comes to requesting an access to an ad account. So the next video that I'm going to be doing for you guys is to show you guys how to create an ad account, right, on the TikTok business center. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video shortly.